and download the Audacity installer. Install Audacity. Open the Audacity software. Click the Audio Setup button and select Audio Settings. Then you can see the interface change. Set the host to Windows WASAPI and then the recording device to Loopback Input for the speakers and the channels to stereo. Save your settings. Open the Google Translate website and paste your text. Go back to Audacity and press the record button. Go back to Google Translate and play the audio. Click the stop button to stop recording. Open the file menu. Choose Export, and select your desired audio format, in this case MP3. Save your audio.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to support my work. See you in the next AI tutorial video. Bye.